Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2008 Audi TT. For this project, you would need a 13mm socket to take off the bracket, which is located in the center of the battery itself, down below in the battery box. Once you take this bracket out, then you would need a 10mm wrench or a 10mm socket to disconnect the positive and the negative cable. Step 2, you want to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is also known as the ground. Just turn your 10-inch wrench clockwise until you loosen up the bolt. Step 3, proceed to take off the positive terminal by doing the same exact thing by turning that wrench clockwise until you loosen up the bolt. And once you get that out, you'll be able to stick up and lift the battery straight out of the vehicle itself and insert your new battery. Just be careful to move those power cords out the way, and then the battery itself will easily to lift up out of the battery box itself. Okay, and insert your new battery. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2008 Audi. Okay, what you want to do is you want to insert get that bracket and flush it straight down in the center of that battery itself, and then you'll be able to put the bolt into that bracket itself, and then you'll be able to tighten up that bolt in that bracket. It's a tight squeeze back there, so make sure you take your time and kind of move that battery up a little bit so you'll be able to put that bracket back down flush into the battery box itself.